ALCATEL 3 and let me show you how to enter the hardware test mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's use the phone's dialer, let's activate the keypad, and here we need to use the following secret code: *#2886#. As you can see, ALCATEL mobile test mode pops up. You can perform here the automatic test mode, or you can perform here manual. So here from manual test you can test, for example, the LCD colors, for example the gray. Let's tap pass if everything is correct. The black, tap pass. You can test the camera, main camera, front camera. You can test the receiver. You can test the speaker and other stuff such as the vibrator. Headset, charger, USB, and lots of more. You can also here perform factory reset to begin the hard reset operation, and basically everything is right here. So that's it. If you would like to quit this mode, let's use a back key, and now you can use your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.